Hello, my brave sketcher. I'm so glad to see you here on my 30th day of Urban Sketching Big Adventure show, the place where we, day by day, for 30 days, without any skipping, are exploring how to draw cityscapes, little bites, little objects like not the full scenery, the full cityscape, but beautiful window, beautiful road sign, some fluffy clouds, something else. We covered a lot of interesting topics already, and you can find all of them in my special playlist. I will put the link somewhere here, and you can return to them. If you missed something, you can cover all topics we already completed. And today is our final sketch of this project, of this part of project. So let's dive into it. Today we are having our final 30th episode of this big show, and I would like us to have fun, to relax a little bit, and to draw some bright, interesting picture. And our today's topic is drawing a narrow house. I will show you in a minute what I mean behind it. I found this photo reference, and I like this narrow house very much, and it looks very interesting, unusual, full of decorations, and we will try to grasp all this vision. And I would like us not only to draw a sketch today, but only to find some way how we can use it. And that's why I would like to create a wallpaper for my phone from today's sketch. So I prepared a little bit different file for it. It has another, dimensions. And I just made a screenshot from my phone, and I can put it here so you can observe how it looks like. And if you are going to do the same way, just check sizes of your screen of your phone, and you can prepare the file to it. And why we need this screenshot from our phone? Because we need to find places which will be covered with some inscriptions, date, all this block upwards and downwards, and we need to avoid to draw important parts on this parts of our screen. So let's start our drawing sketches, our drawing process. Today it will be fun and short, and try to remember all memorable moments from this project. What have we done? What have we achieved? How many sketches have we completed? For me it will be more than 30, because I made some bonus videos, so we can count it. It will be 31st. And I would like to draw it in a loose impressionist manner, to grasp not only vibe of this city, but to color it from the color palette in my soul, to do it brighter, more ugly, more, from the one point of view, more complicated, but I will simplify it from the other hand. So you will see what can we draw if we if we apply our fantasy. So it is time for sketching. Find your own photo reference from for today's topic, this narrow house. You can choose any narrow house, not necessary to draw this French one. You can choose from another architectural style. You need to find a way how to show what you like, what attracts your attention. So let's start our sketching process, and I will return you in a couple of minutes. My sketch is ready. You can see how different it looks in comparison with our with my photo reference. It is completely different, but I like the way how I can explore my sketching style, how I can boldly add some texture, like you can see texture here. I can draw anything, not even, everything is a little bit different. We see here some vibration of these bright colors. You can also do these things that add some additional objects. You can change size and draw this road sign bigger, because you need some focus point. And here you can see that I have not drawn here and there much information, let's say, because it will be covered in my when I will apply it to my phone. And by the way, here I already put my sketch, and you can see how it looks funny, bright, and like maybe juicy, in a juicy way. So you can do this too. And I will put this sketch into my free Telegram channel where you can observe it and see all the details and find a way how I did it, how I was doing it, because in my sketching process I already showed you, but maybe you'd like to explore some tiny details. And I also encourage you to show your sketch from today's practice there in my free Telegram channel. In the comments to today's post, I will put a link in the description and you can easily find it. Show me your picture and I will give you feedback and words of support and encouragement. And you not only drop your sketches, but also write a couple of words about you, who are you, where are you from, and what do you feel about today's practice and maybe the whole 30 days project of urban sketching big adventure show. So I would like to know your feelings, your experience, and what exactly grabbed your attention during this long artistic journey. That's it for today, and that's almost it for this big project. In future we will return to it from time to time, and we are going to explore different objects. Maybe we will return to some of our objects which we already covered, but we will do it in a more complicated way. Maybe I will add some additional characters to some of my ready sketches from this project. Maybe, by the way, maybe I will draw some, long character here, maybe giraffe or someone, I don't know yet, but it could be here. You know that it is not our final destination. It doesn't mean that all my future sketches I will draw like this, but I want me and you also to feel free to experiment, to try new things, to try some bold things, not to afraid look strange and ugly. Don't be afraid of it. Your way of exploration, your artistic style, it is precious thing, so don't avoid it, do it. And next week I will film a video where I will summarize my thoughts, my experience about this project, 30 days project, and I will show you my favorite topics which we covered during this show, and I will show you my favorite sketches, what have I got, and maybe I will tell you why I like them, what tiny tricks I use there, maybe some artistic inventions and so on. So this video will be on the next video. Now we need some time to, this weekend will be a best time for have some relaxations, for doing something completely different, not only drawing day after day without any skipping. So we need to recharge our batteries and try some new experience. Go for a walk, go to the, I don't know, exhibition, to the concerts, listen to music, get other interesting impressions from the world which surrounds you. And after that, we will return to our sketching journey and we will explore it even more wide with more crazy ideas and projects. And I will be happy to see you there. Thank you so much for spending this time for me, for drawing with me, for exploring your own artistic way. It is time which you will never regret that you are spending for yourself, for your inner soul. If you have some questions about this project, about some of our exact topics, maybe about our new sketching projects, write me in comments. Of course, if you have some questions, some problems, some concerns, some difficulties which you met during this project, maybe something was hard, something was not clear for you, how to draw, how to think in a different artistic way, also write your your questions in comments, and I will try a way how to help you. And now I would like to wish you a very interesting and inspiring creative practice and super relaxing weekends. See you on the next video next week, where we will continue our exploration of urban sketching. See you there and bye-bye.